everybody, I'm Rose here from Korean class. Today we're gonna study the last of Hangul with consonant 기역. So, on the last video we learned ka, kya, ko, kyo, ko, and let's start from this. So, 기역 plus 기역 was K and 요. 기역 plus 요 is 쿄. 쿄. We're writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. 쿄. 쿄. Next, 기역 plus 우. So this is 쿠. 쿠. Writing 1, 2, 3, 4. 쿠. 쿠. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷. 쿠. 쿠. Next one. 기역 K plus U. So this is Q. Q. Writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Q. One more time. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯. Q. Q. Next one. 기역 K plus 으. 으 is EU. So this is 크. 크. Writing 1, 2, 3. 크. 크. 한 번 더. 하나, 둘, 셋. 크. 크. And last one, 기역 plus E is I. So this is key. Key. Writing 1, 2, 3. Key. Key. 하나, 둘, 셋. Key. Key. And actually, we studied 기역. This is 기역. 기역. Consonant 기역. And we studied 기역. 기역. Actually, these two consonants are very confusing, right? But it's different consonant. 기역, this is 기역, and this page, this consonant is 기역. Okay? So don't confuse. And let's have a look at these pictures. This is, these two words we study on this page. So same. 기역 plus 우 is 쿠. And last one is 키. Right? Cookie. Cookie is right. Just cookie. In Korean, same. Cookie. Cookie in Korean is cookie. Cookie. And this is, we studied 미음, M, A is A. So this is 마, 이응 is no sound, and E is I. E, 기역, same one, same letter. 기역 plus 으. So this is 마이크. So 마이크. 마이크 is also right. Mic. In Korean, it's also 마이크. 마이크. So I'm gonna speak everything one more time, and you should speak together with me. It's better to learn new language. I recommend you should speak. You have to speak, okay? So we studied new consonant, 키읔. 1, 2. 키읔. 키읔. And 키읔 plus basic vowels is 카, 캬, 커, 켜, 코, 쿄, 쿠, 큐, 크, 키. 카, 캬, 커, 켜, 코, 쿄, 쿠, 큐, 크, 키. And these pictures and card in Korean is 카드. 카드. It's similar, right? And this is look like birthday card, right? So birthday card in Korean is 생일 카드. Birthday in Korean is 생일. Okay? 생일 카드 is birthday card. And this is my Starbucks card, and in Korean it's also 스타벅스 카드. 스타벅스 카드. And next, nose in Korean is 코. 코. Just one letter, 코. And eyes in Korean is 눈. And mouth in Korean is 입. And cookie in Korean is cookie. Cookie. And mic in Korean is 마이크. 마이크. So that's all for me today. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you later, guys. 뿅.